it all started here. And yes, thank God I made the first move. Thanks to your friends who set us up. We had coffee and we had some sit-down conversations. The time that I thought that you are maangas or bad boy, but your soft and loving side still prevails. My baby, please do remember na ikaw at ikaw lang ang uuwian ko palagi.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. At kung ano man ang nararamdaman, asahan mong ako'y andito lang, di ako lalayo kailan pa man, kailan pa man. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian.
Remember when you fetched me home despite of me having my own ride? It was the best. After a few days straight dates, I eventually figured out what kind of a person you are. A man with values, principles, family-oriented, handsome, and everything that a woman could dream of. And everything that I could wish for a man that I would marry. That is you, my Eman.
Baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan ang kulay ng kalangitan, pangako ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian. At kung umabot man sa dulo at tatanda na tayo, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. At kahit na maghirap tayo, di na magbabago, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Ikaw pa rin. Oh, ikaw pa rin.
Sir, naman pa-video clip mo.
Anong pangalan?
Eman.
Eman, Eman, shoutout sa iyo. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo at salamat sa support. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
Ikaw